Alright, so now we're doing a similar thing, 734. We're looking at 1,000 letters. And we want to know what's the probability that the sample has less than 8.1% T's. Okay. So when we looked at 730, the proportion of T's was 0.09, and our N was equal to 1,000. Alright, so we want to check their conditions. Is this independent and random? And it says a random sample of 1,000 letters, stated directly there in 730. So that works. Okay, random letters. And is this a large sample? Okay, we have to check n times p, and we have to check n times 1 minus p. So here, n is 1,000, and p is 0.09. Okay, so 1,000 times 0.09 is 90. Okay, 90 is bigger than 10, so that's good. And 1,000 times 1 minus p, which is going to be 0.91, is going to be 910. Okay, and that's also bigger than 10. So large sample, that checks out. And we want to check, do we have a large population? Is 1,000 letters more than all letters ever written printed? No, it's not. Okay, or more than 10% of all letters printed? No, it's not. So we've got a large population. All right, so this means p-hats follow a normal model. All right, the mean of this normal model is going to be 0.09, and the standard deviation is the standard error, which is going to be the square root of p times 1 minus p over n, which in this case is the square root, 0.09. 1 minus 0.09 is 0.91 divided by 1,000. This gives me a standard error of 0.00905. Okay, but I'll just round off to 0.009. Okay, and so now got a normal model. I'm centered at 0.09, and it says what's the probability that the sample has 8.1% T's or less? Okay, 8.1% is 0.081. So I'm going to draw a cutoff line at 0.081, and I'm looking for 8.1% or less. This is what I want to know. So I got to find my z-score. 0.081 minus 0.09, which is my mean, and I've got to divide that by my standard deviation, which is 0.009. So here I have negative 0.009 over 0.009, which gives me negative 1.0. So I get negative 1. And I have to go to the z table in the back of the book, and I look up z equals negative 1.00, and when I do that, it tells me that the area to the left is 0.1587. Alright, and so my answer here is 0.1587. What's the probability that the sample has 8.1% T's or less than that? 0.1587, or 15.87%, however you want to write it.